Hi everybody, this is TaraDeLissia. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, I want to welcome you with my arms open with a lot of love. And if you're my returning subscribers, welcome back, friend. So today we're doing a review on the iTime SE watch from CITITRENDS. Yes, CITITRENDS sells touchscreen watches. Before I get into the video, there's some things I want you to do. I want you to like. I want you to comment. I want you to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. We're going to start this video, okay? So here it goes. It comes in a nice case, protected, and everything. I like to be neat unwrapping stuff, you guys. So the phone comes with some little instructions how to operate, and it also comes with a charging port. Now, I hope I don't need no scissors for this because I don't know what this do or say because I'm not doing this. Okay, well, I don't think I need scissors, so I'm going to just unwrap this. Oh, look at this. Oh, okay. Here we go. Alright. So, the color is pink. Yes, pink with a rose gold face. You can see that. And let's see how it fits. I'm usually like one of them adjustable. Oh. You guys, I'm already messing up things, you know. Okay, hold on, you guys. Okay, eventually it's gonna get edited out. So, I usually like the adjustable. Well, put this on my. Don't want to stay up, you guys. Okay. So far, I think I like it. Let me just tell you what the features are on here. The features has you go make phone calls, camera, pedometer, sleep monitor, the messages, calendar, secondary, reminder, call log, contacts, anti-loss, that's a plus, alarm, and it plays music. You can see that. And let's see how this works. You might have to charge it. Okay, you guys, I'm going to charge this a bit so I can demonstrate it. So I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I have to charge this phone, charge this watch up, but I'm going to show you it has the USB port right there. And I'm going to insert it right here. I don't want to break it. Okay, it's in there. And now I'm going to charge it to my computer. I brought my laptop upstairs just in case. So I'll be right back in a few, guys. Hey guys, I'm back. I had to switch my room over a bit because of my plug. So hopefully this will do and work. While the watch is charging, I'm going to show you how it's charging up. So now that we have the watch charging up, this is what it looks like. And now we're going to look at the instruction on how it works. From what I was reading, that I have to turn on the Bluetooth on my phone in order to access the functions of the watch. Meaning, in the basic functions, in the main menu, the functioning, I can sync my phone and messages, Bluetooth, call log, dialer, phone book, and remote note filter, like incoming calls and SMSs, and receiving phone calls and alerts, And I also have a remote watch on there as well. The anti-lost is where I can, by using my phone, using it, you guys. So it gives you the details on how the watch works. So we're gonna see how it works once it's all charged up. So what you can see is it's fully charged. It's fully charged. And now the time has come to fix this thing. Okay, so I'm gonna take... Okay, so I paired it. You can see where it says pair, which is my phone. The device is already connected. Okay, go back. So, on the camera part, which I think is really, really cool. You see that? Ah! It's black and white. Oh yeah, you have to have a memory card for this. So I'm going to figure out how to do that whenever. Like, I got settings. So far, I like it. I will be making a part 2, just having fun with it. And it works. The only thing I need is a memory card. I didn't know that. So you guys, if you are wanting to get the iPhone, you guys, the iWatch camera phone, touchscreen. So this will run you like $19.99. I like it. It's doable. And it's budgeting, and you know, you could probably get your teenager, your 12-year-old or something like this, and it's cool. I'm going to keep it because I do need a watch on me, so I don't have to carry my cell phone everywhere. And you guys, I hope you like this review. Let me know what you think, and would you buy this? Or say yay or nay. Right now I'm in between. I still gotta, toy with it a bit to get the full functionality of this device. And I'll probably do a part 2 once I get a hang to it. So you guys hold on to your seats. And you guys remember, stay safe, stay 6 feet, do your social distancing, wear your mask, wash your hands really good. If you're fully vaccinated, be mindful and wear your mask too. I'm sorry, the other way. If you're not vaccinated, please wear your mask and care for others that are around you. You guys, tell me, like I said, tell me what you think about this watch. I'm going to do a part 2 once I get the use of this device. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.